Welcome to Study Physics. In this video we will be solving problems of chapter 31, that is capacitor, and in this video we will be solving problem 28. So again, in this problem what is asked is find the equivalent capacitance of the infinite ladder shown in the figure between points A and B. So we have to just evaluate the equivalent capacitance between point A and B. So how we will be doing is, see, this is an infinite ladder, so it will end at infinity, but we have to just see what is the pattern of this ladder. So once we decide the pattern, after that this problem is very easy. So how will be deciding what is the pattern of this ladder is, see here, we have to decide the equivalent capacitance between point A and B. So after moving towards right, what we see is 1 and 2 microfarad capacitors there. So after that again 1 and 2, again 1 and 2. So pattern is like 1 and 2, 1 and 2 only. So how we'll be seeing is just this is the pattern. So one sample I have just taken out from this pattern, and what I will say here is, see, I have just only taken one part, means one sample from here, and I can say it like see, in between these 2 points one capacitor is there of 1 microfarad and one is of 2 microfarad. So only one sample is taken. So if you remove something, means a sample from a huge space or a huge means quantity, by that time you cannot say that we have removed a huge part. So it is like you have removed nothing. So what you can say here is this portion which we have not taken is exactly equals to the entire value. So since we have to decide the equivalent capacitance between A and B point, so what we will be saying is this whole term will contribute to C and AB equivalent only. So if we have to decide the equivalent capacitance between point A and B, how will we doing is, we will just write like this value is exactly equal to the equivalent capacitance. So now how we will be doing is, see, the 2 and CAB equivalent is in a series, so we can say that 2 into CAB divided by 2 plus CAB term. So this will be its equivalent, and after that it will have a parallel combination with this branch. So if we add this branch, then by that time this result will be exactly equal to CAB equivalent. So what we can say here is CAB will be exactly equals to 2 into CAB plus 2 plus CAB, and this value is 1 here. So what we can say here is a 2 CAB, so 2 CAB plus 2 plus of 2 CAB divided by 2 plus of CAB. So here 1 CAB is there. So what we have to do is, see, here 2 CAB plus of CAB square will be there, and after that 2 CAB plus 2 CAB. So it will be like so it was like 2 CAB plus 2 plus, here CAB term will be only there because here 1 is there. So 1 multiplied by that time you will be getting 2 plus CAB. So no 2 will be here. So you just correct it. Okay. After that, what is remaining here is 2 CAB plus CAB square will be equals to 3 CAB plus of 2. So how we will be solving this problem is CAB square, and this will be like minus of CAB, and minus 2 will be equals to 0. So now you have to solve this quadratic equation, and after that we can very easily get the. So you can take the help of calculator or you can solve it manually as well. So this answer will be like 2 comma minus of 2. So 2 answers will be there, but only we have to take is the positive value. So this C equivalent will be like 2 microfarad. Why? Because again all the terms are in terms of microfarad. So answer will be 2 microfarad. So this is the answer for problem 28. In this way we completed 28th problem, and at the last I would like to request you to please share, subscribe, support, share among your friends, and so that if I will reach to the more students, by that time I will put some more efforts, and we will together reach our goal. So it is just all about the support that you provide to me. I am working over here, so please keep supporting. Thank you.